Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Movers Report for October 26, 2011. First we're taking a look at ONXX. You can see we're gapping up this morning over 40. Been as high as 42.50 and we pull back to around 42. Last is at 41.95 right now. We're going to look to take this short off the open on a new low. So give it about 2 to 3 minutes to close below the open. Take this short. You could start with half position, wait for a small bounce, add your second half, and then see if you can break through to a new low. First profit target is going to be about 41 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 82 cents, and then trail a stop on your last piece. Watch this 40 for support. We break down below 40. Next could be 39 and 38. Depending on what we get in the market today, if we break through support, this could trend down for most of the day. So I would look to be patient on that last piece of your trade on the short side. Next we have PNRA, also gapping up this morning. We got a last here at 128. It's been as high as 130 approximately. We're going to look for this to turn over and break through the open onto the short side off the open today. First profit target is going to be $1.28. Second profit target is going to be about $2.50. See if it can break down below this 126. You're going to have support here in the whole dollar numbers, possibly at 124 and then down into 122. Going to have some support at 122 from this high back on the 24th. So watch that there. But still plenty of money in this trade on the short side. Just wait for it to break through that open on the short side. Also, it could bounce off the open and come back up and test this 130. If that happens, just set your alert at the open or just above the open. That way later on in the morning or even in the afternoon, if we get some selling and this drops below, you can take a short then. And next we have HGSI gapping down this morning. We're at 1109 right here. Low is 1074. We're going to look to take this short on the open on a new low. First profit target is going to be about 11 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be 22 cents. Watch this 1075 area for support. We break through that and we could come into 1050. And I would really try to get to $10 on that last piece if you can. Now we're looking at QCOR, QCOR. Last is at 38.10 right here. We have a high of about 38.60. And you can see we gapped up over this resistance line here. Going to look strong today on this breakaway gap. Going to take this long off the open on a new high. First profit target is going to be 38 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 76 cents. Watch this previous high of the pre-market here at 38.60 for some resistance. You'll hit your first target. You'll probably have to push through it to make your second target. And then watch 39 and ultimately try to get into 40 area for your last piece. Next we have FFIV. Last is at 96.50. You can see the pre-market high here, or after-market high of about 97.50. So there's your point up into the next resistance level. If we open closer to this 97.50, I would wait for a break over that, maybe 97.65 or 63 area. So if you're close to this resistance level at 97.50, just wait for a break of that, or wait for an open over that 97.50. Take this long. First profit target is going to be about 96 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about $1.92, close to 2 points on your second target. And then watch this $100 mark for a strong resistance level here. So see what it does at $100. If it starts to act weak or fail at it, tighten your stop and take your last piece off of that trade. And our last trade is AMZN, Amazon. Gap down aftermarket, broke from 225 down to this 184.50, 184.44 area. Been all over the place. Aftermarket, pre-market, we're holding right over this 200 mark. We're going to look to take this long off the open on a new high. Going to have a little bit of resistance here at about 203.70, so watch that. I still think there's plenty of money in this trade. First profit target is going to be about 2 points. Second profit target is going to be 4 points from your entry. So even if we take it long here, you're going to look around this 205 area for possibly your first target, then around 207. And then I would trail a stop on your last piece and really try for this 210, possibly even 215. And again, it's going to depend on what we have in the market. If we have a strong day in the market and we're breaking resistance levels, this could trend up into that 212 to 215 area. If we have a weak day, I still think you can get that 2%, possibly 3% out of the trade and just stay ahead of it. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.